Welcome back to self-introspection and self-development. In this video, I'm going to tell you how teachers and the professors are going to get advantage out of this new education policy 2020. So let's start the video. As we know, the new education policy 2020 gave more emphasis on practical education. But till date, we are more focusing towards theoretical education. The teacher has to make elaborate notes on a particular topic and circulate the students. But after implementation of this new education policy 2020, the burden for the teachers for making such notes will decrease in some extent. Instead of making elaborate notes on any topic, teachers will try to impart more practical knowledge on the particular topic. The next advantage for teachers or any professor is that teacher has to prepare themselves for the practical before taking the class. So, along with the students, teachers are also getting a scope for their personal development. And the third is, till date, government has never given importance on pre-nursery. But after implementation of this new education policy 2020, the education system is going to give importance on pre-nursery. As a result, the pressure of the teacher to build up a standard 1 student without any pre-nursery knowledge will come to an end. The next is, the new education policy 2020 proposed that it will remove all the education bodies and a higher education body is being attempted to be made. It also proposed the centralization of the educational body where center will decide what is to be done in the field of education in the entire country. So, I hope the better luck for the private school teachers to fulfill the vacant central level post. The next is, the new education policy 2020 proposed that the salary of all the staffs of any private institution will be margined, guided and advised by the central body. This new education policy 2020 also proposed to invest 6% of GDP on education. As a result, there may be a chance of increase in basic pay of all the staffs of education department. This new education policy 2020 also proposed to give more importance on practical education and on vocational skills. Credits will be given on curricular and extracurricular activities. As a result, there will be a good intimations and strong bondings between the students and the teachers. For any further queries, please feel free to email me at selfintrospection786@gmail.com. Hope the video is useful. Thanks for your precious time.